Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Missile strikes and market shakes, unpacking global events. Dive into the latest news on a U.S. cargo ship under fire off Yemen, the impact of AI on global employment according to IMF, and China's defiance in purchasing NVIDIA chips despite bans. We'll also explore whether Wall Street takes a break for MLK Day, Apple's strategic discounts in China for iPhone 15, and the booming success of Costco and Sam's Club in mainland China. Plus, we'll discuss Boeing's quality control changes following a mid-air emergency with their 737 MAX, Uber shutting down its alcohol delivery service Draisly, and Baird's mixed outlook on medtech versus dental market for 2024. Stay tuned after this short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines. A missile struck a United States cargo vessel near Yemen, igniting a blaze but resulting in no casualties, as reported by the United Kingdom Maritime Trade Operations. This incident comes on the heels of reciprocal airstrikes launched by the US and UK against Houthi rebels in Yemen, who are held responsible for attacks on ships in the Red Sea. The mounting tensions have had repercussions on oil prices and shipping routes. In response to this situation, Qatar has put a halt to its shipments of liquefied natural gas via the Red Sea.
The International Monetary Fund, also known as the IMF, has released a report stating that artificial intelligence, or AI, could potentially impact 40% of jobs worldwide. It is suggested that advanced economies may face a higher risk. Despite this, these same economies could also reap significant benefits from AI. To assist countries in formulating suitable policies, the IMF has created an AI Preparedness Index. The organization recommends prioritizing both innovation and regulation of AI within advanced economies.
It has been reported that NVIDIA semiconductors have been purchased by Chinese military and academic institutions, in spite of a U.S. export ban. These chips are mainly utilized for the development of artificial intelligence. However, the quantities acquired are not enough to construct large language models. The suppliers involved in these transactions are not approved retailers by NVIDIA, which underscores the challenges faced in enforcing chip export controls. NVIDIA has pledged to take necessary action if any unlawful resales come to light.
On the occasion of Martin Luther King Jr. Day, which falls on January 15, 2023, both the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ will not be operational. However, stock futures such as Dow Jones Industrial Average, S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 will continue to function. Trading for metals and energy futures on COMEX along with the New York Mercantile Exchange will only be open until early afternoon. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin can be traded throughout the day without any interruptions. This comes after last week's approval of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds by the Securities and Exchange Commission.
Apple, in an attempt to counter increasing competition, has decided to offer uncommon discounts on iPhones in China. The prices have been reduced by as much as 500 yuan, which is approximately $70. This promotional offer is not limited to iPhones but also includes other Apple products and will be active from the 18th to the 21st of January. This strategic decision follows reports indicating a significant decrease of around 30% in Apple's Chinese iPhone sales during the initial week of 2024, sparking worries about its hardware business.
Consumers from China are showing a growing interest in American retail powerhouses, Costco and Sam's Club. The membership-based business model is fueling this expansion. The newly opened Costco store in Shenzhen has witnessed large footfall and robust initial sales, especially for bulk grocery products. On the other hand, Walmart is tactically increasing its number of Sam's Club stores in China, having doubled the count since 2020. Early this year, the stock market performance of both these firms has surpassed that of the general market.
Boeing is stepping up quality controls and inspections at its manufacturing facilities, as well as at major supplier Spirit AeroSystems. This action comes in the wake of an incident where a 737 MAX 9 aircraft lost a portion of its cabin during flight. The Federal Aviation Authority has subsequently grounded some Boeing 737 MAX 9 aircraft for further examination. This decision was made after airlines found loose components during checks, leading Boeing to acknowledge the necessity for enhancements in factory procedures.
Uber Technologies is shutting down Draisly, an alcohol delivery service it acquired for $1.1 billion 3 years prior. This decision is part of Uber's shift in focus towards its primary strategy of delivering food, groceries, and alcohol via a single application known as Uber Eats.
Baird, an investment bank, forecasts that medtech will surpass the general market in 2024 due to a recent boost from an investment conference. However, it maintains a conservative outlook on dental and aesthetics markets. Its top choices are Alcon, Stryker, the Cooper Companies, Boston Scientific, and Dexcom. On the other hand, Baird cautions about possible letdowns from Dentsply Sirona guidance for 2024 along with Envista and Henry Schein. Despite this wary approach towards dental stocks, Baird identifies potential in InMode and Apex Medical within the aesthetics sector. And that's a wrap for today's daily business and finance show. Stay savvy, stay informed. Until next time, keep investing in your financial wisdom. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Goodbye for now, until we meet again tomorrow.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.